Are you struggling with a stubborn VPN that won't turn off on your iPhone? Here's a quick solution to help you disconnect it hassle-free. If you have turned off the VPN, but it turns back on automatically after a few seconds, you may have enabled some VPN settings. So, let's follow the first solution. Disable Connect on Demand. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the General Settings section. Swipe to the VPN and Management section. If the VPN status shows connected, tap to open it. Then, click the information icon at the far right of the VPN name. After that, turn off the toggle next to Connect on Demand. That's it. Disconnect VPN from Settings app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the General Settings section. After that, scroll to the VPN and Management section and tap to open it. If you see the VPN status is connected, tap on it and turn off the toggle next to VPN status. That's it. Turn off the VPN from the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Then, tap the Connectivity control to see the VPN option. If it is on, tap on it to turn off the VPN. That's it. Disconnect VPN from app. On your iPhone's home screen, find the VPN app that is connected and launch the VPN app. We need to disconnect this VPN, so tap on the center button to disconnect or stop the VPN. That's it. Force Restart iPhone. Press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo on the iPhone screen. Please ignore the slide to power off option that appears on the iPhone screen. Once you see the Apple logo on your iPhone screen, release the side button. Wait for the restart process to complete. After that, unlock your iPhone and check if the problem is fixed. In my case, the VPN turns off. If the problem persists, check and delete the VPN profile. Launch the Settings app. Tap the General section, scroll to the VPN and Management section, tap on the VPN section, and check if the VPN profile is installed under the Device VPN section. If available, tap on the Info button next to the VPN profile name and select the Delete VPN option. Finally, tap the Delete option to confirm. That's it. Reset network settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the General section. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. After that, scroll down and start the reset process. You can see a list of options open up here. Select Reset Network Settings. Then, enter the lock screen passcode if prompted and confirm. Wait for the Reset Network setting process to complete. Then, unlock your iPhone and check if the VPN is turned off. Delete the VPN app. You can also completely turn off the VPN by removing the app from your device. To do so, go to the iPhone home screen and find the VPN app. Then, press and hold the VPN app to see the drop-down options. Select the Remove App option. Then, select the Delete App option and confirm. That's it. You can reinstall the VPN app from the App Store and check whether it's turning off manually. If you're having issues with your VPN app, try another third-party app. Software Update. Make sure your device is running the latest iOS version. To check, follow the on-screen video steps. Contact VPN support. If none of the solutions help, contact your VPN provider support. Make sure you know your VPN service provider. Then, use the built-in support, help, or contact support section. Alternatively, you can contact VPN support via email. Write about your problem and send it to them. Provide your VPN app version, iOS device version, and VPN provider's name. Also, attach any error messages or screenshots if available and send mail. Then, please wait for a response and follow the instructions they send you. That's it. I hope this helps you figure out your VPN problem. Please write which solution works for you in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.